What are you doing? You learning how to clean? Are you cleaning your high chair? After you make a big mess? What are you doing? Oh, look at you. What a good girl. Clean. That's awesome. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Emily. You only say it when something drops because you're so smart? Is that when you say it? Here. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. You're so smart. You don't say it when Mama says it. You say it when something... Oh, you're ready to get off. Okay, bucko face. Okay, my beautiful with your fat red lip. Okay, let's go take a bath. Are you ready for bath? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, let's go take a bath. I'm getting you down. I'm getting you down.